In today's video, we're going to be covering installing this new overhead center console, I guess is what you want to call it. But this is the one that has basically the Homelink in it. Welcome back or to the channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Smash that like button and the bell notification so that you get notified when we upload new content. Ours does not have this. We ended up picking this one up from LKQ off of, I think it was eBay, for about $100. But the difference here is that it has this module right here. All right, this one's out of a 2014 is what the tag says. So we're going to try to make this work in our 2018. Shouldn't be that big of a deal. We just got to go ahead and program it and get these key functions working. Okay, so we've got the overhead center console out, and it was a real pain, but what we're gonna go ahead and do is, I feel like our outside section, the colored part that's gray, is in a little bit better condition. So we're gonna go ahead and swap the center section out for the module for the garage door. So here's the center section right here. It just kind of pops out like one of these here. Anyways, so it pops out. We got our LED bulbs installed in this one. This is our new center section, so we'll just take a bunch of these loose as far as like the little buttons and stuff, because we don't need them like this for the rear window because we've got ours still hanging up there. So we're going to go ahead and pop that out, put our new one in, stick this in the center piece, and then put it up back in the truck and get to programming. One thing I do want to note on this, it is really difficult to get these things out. You almost feel like you're going to break them, but you have two sets of locking tabs. You have one here, you have one here, so this will go up into the center section like this, and so you'll have two sets right here and then two sets right here, along with a piece that kind of goes up and into the headliner. So with that being said, the best way that I found to get these loose is, I've got another tool here, hold on. Okay, so I had a second one of these. I'm not really sure what happened to it or where it went, but I have a thinner one like this that has an opening like this on the end of it, right? So the easiest way that I found was, you can see these from the side, to take the smaller one, come in like this so that your pieces are kind of like that, pushing in on these, and then so you'll have this one in here like this, and then you'll come in on top of that one with this one and then pry it down and it'll pop right out, or just work it back and forth like so, and then do the same thing for these ones. All right, so we're going to stick our new center section up in here like so. Should just pop in. I think we're getting hung up on this electrical connector. All right, so we got the new center section in. We're just gonna pop it in place. Should be able to, all the way around. Okay. There's that. Now we'll stick it back up into the hole and plug everything back up, to include the little map reading light and all these other connections that go up here for the actual lights, the door, or the window, and then the garage control unit, which is already pre-wired in the truck right here. All right, so as you can see, everything's wired up, plugged in, and now here's where these go into, and then those go into right there. And then you're just gonna push it back up into place, and we're gonna get to programming. If you're installing the same product in your Ram truck for the Homelink capability, be sure to check out our programming video in the card above. That's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. I'll go ahead and put the link to the products down below that we used in this video. Be sure to subscribe, hit that like button and bell notification, And until next time, thanks for watching.